Your words are more powerful than you think. The real question is, are you using them wisely? Most people speak English, but very few command attention, influence decisions, and win hearts. And when it really matters the most, that is in interviews, boardrooms, conflicts, and even crucial conversations. This is exactly why I created SpeakFluence. Hi, I'm Shripi Srivastav with 30 plus years of experience, and I've trained over 10 lakh learners, worked with 10,000 plus companies, coached leaders, CXOs, and professionals across industries, and authored multiple books on leadership, communication, and performance. And one truth that has stayed constant is speaking is not about grammar alone. Speaking is about presence, it is about clarity, it is about strategy, and it is about wisdom. SpeakFluence is a powerful 45-day transformation program that takes you back to your roots and equips you for the modern world. Here we blend Bhagavad Gita wisdom, the power of Vani Shuddhi, which teaches speaking truthfully, calmly, kindly, and beneficially, backed with Chanakya Niti, which teaches how to influence without force, how to choose the right words at the right time with the right intent, and backed with modern communication techniques, which teaches us how to handle crucial conversations, how to handle conflicting situations, how to use power words, think on the spot, how to lead presentations and leadership communication. In SpeakFluence, you will learn how to speak fluent English confidently. You will think fast and respond under pressure. You will handle criticism and conflicts very calmly. You will lead meetings and boardrooms with authority, influence people without aggression, and win hearts and minds very naturally. This is not just a speaking course. This is a leadership and influence accelerator. So we have special launch offer for the first 100 participants and learners, and after then the price will go back to its normal. You can also explore more about the course through my website, and you can also download Improvables Academy's app from the Play Store. And very shortly SpeakFluence will also be available on the app. And my friends, if you are done being unheard, and if you are ready to speak with confidence, calmness, and authority, and if you want your words to create impact and not noise, then SpeakFluence is for you. Be heard, be remembered, be unstoppable, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bye for now.